for the running of the machine, first you set the parameters here, push here, and English screen push anywhere, and then, for example, you need to set the series and the parallel mode here. And then the series quantity, you need 2 batteries, and you set 2 here, and OK to confirm. And the parallel quantity is 4 pieces, and set here, and press OK to confirm. And then you switch to other screen and reset the machine before each run. Remove the debris. And then after the resetting is done, you push the start button.这个好像不对，对吧？好像不是2串4并，对吧？这成了。